Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are solving the problem number 2, that is a factorial of a number. Okay, let's go for the intuition first. What is the factorial? Okay, and if you take the 3 as user enter the data as a 3 number, and what are the factors of 3? 3 into 2 into 1, which led to the answer of 6. If you take 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, what is the product of these? 5 4s are 20, 60, 120, right? It's a, what is the 5 factorial? 5 factorial is 120. Like that, we need to find the factorial of the number. Okay, and let's write the code for that. And if the user entered that int of number is 5, okay, let's take the variable for storing the final factorial number. Okay, initially the factorial is 1. Okay, the factorial should not be 0 because we are doing the multiplication. Okay, we are doing the multiplication. So if you are placing the 0, in any case the total product of the given number will be rendered as a 0 as a output. So make sure that you are using the 1 as a factorial. Okay, and we need to find the factorial of 5. That means we need to iterate from 1 to 5. Okay, let's take for loop, and that will be int of I is equals to 1 and I must be less than or equals to given num and I plus plus. Okay, and what will happen now? We need to take the factorial, what is the I value each time getting updated, and that should be multiplied by the factorial variable, and the final answer each time until that updation we need to store that in the factorial variable. Okay, and this is the code for that. And after that, what we have to do after getting the factorial, we need to print the factorial. What is the factorial? F is the factorial. Okay, and this is the code for that. Okay, let's do for the intuition. Okay, and initially we are taking a number. Okay, we are taking a number, and after that we are doing the factorial. We have taken initially, it is a, what is the factorial of initial stage? It would be 1. Okay, and next, after each time of for loop, we are performing factor is equals to factorial into I. Okay, and after that, okay, we will write the for loop in a detailed manner. That's the thing we're going to understand very clearly. This is I value which is starting from 1. Okay, make sure that I should be always started from 1 because we are doing the product, and I must be less than or equals to num. Okay, then we go for updation, and then we go for factorial is equals to factorial into I. Okay, then what is the last step we have to do? Sorry, okay, what is the last step? We need to print. Okay, sorry, yeah, I got it. Next, okay, let's the number is 5. Okay, let's the number is 5, and initially the factorial is 1 and I is equals to 1, and I must be less than or equals to, what is the number? 5, right? Yes, and it's checking the condition first, and yeah, 1 is less than or equals to 5. Yes, then what we are doing here, initially fact is 1 and I is 1, then we are getting the factorial 1 into 1 is equals to 1. Okay, yeah. And after that, output is fact is 1. Okay, yeah. Fact is updated to 1 and I incremented. Okay, I gets incremented to 2. Okay, now I gets to 2 is less than or equals to 5. Yes, it's less than or equals to 5. Then what is the previous fact? What is the previous fact we got? It's 1, right? 1 into what is the current I value? It's 2 and the factorial is 2. Okay, and then update it. Okay, after updation, what is the final fact? We got 2, right? And I is equals to 3 and 3 is less than or equals to 5. Yes, 3 is less than and it's equals to 5. Then 2 is a factorial, 3 is the number, you will get 6. What is the fact value updated to 6? Then I plus plus. I plus plus means 3 is changed to 4. Okay, I is equals to 4 and 4 is less than or equals to 5. Yes, and what is the fact? Initially it's 6 and it's 4, it's 24. Okay, then again updation, that is 4 is updated to 5. Then what is the final factorial value? It's 24 and I is equals to 5. 5 is less than or equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. So and 24 into 5. Okay, 120. What is the factorial we got? 120 and I gets updated from 5 to 6. I is equals to 6. 6 is less than or equals to 5. The condition fails here. Okay, the condition fails here. It will come out of the loop and just it will print the fact. Then what is the output we are getting? We are getting factorial of 5 is 120. Okay, yeah, this is how we are going to do that. And if you have any doubts, just comment me in the dry run of the code, and we are going for the running the code in a Eclipse. You first I was taking the scanner class and just I have taken the input from the user, which is the type of num. And what is the next thing? We need to take the variable of fact. Okay, that should be inserted with the 1. Then we have to take the for loop up to the given number. We have to iterate. The I should start from the 1. I should be less than or equals to the given num and each time increment it. Okay, then write the formula, that is fact is equals to fact into y each time until the factorial of particular number. We need to run the for loop. Okay, after the exceeding of that number equals to, if the user enter the number 5, if that exceeds to the 6, it will come out of the loop and just it will print fact. Okay, if I run the code and it will ask the user to enter the number, I was enter 5, you are getting the factorial is 120. Okay, and if I enter 6, you are going to get the factorial as 720. And if I enter the number is 3, we will get the factorial of 6. Okay, this is the code. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.